everybody, I'm Tony, and this video is about how I'm starting my micro locks. So I started this channel because I don't think there's very much representation on YouTube with my hair type, and I'd like to help those who have hair like mine. So my hair history is that I had processed my hair since the age of 6, and so my last relaxer was on May 15th, 2013, and that was about 5 years and 3 months ago. So I transitioned for a year, and then I chopped off all of my relaxed hair, and I am relaxer free for 4 months and 4 years and 3 months. So I'm glad I got experience with my loose natural hair for a while, but it is time to lock it. My hair type is 4C, so I'm going to take this off and show you exactly what we've got here. So this is my hair after I washed it. It's shrunk, and this side is after I blow dried it and straightened it, which is only the 4th time I've ever done it in these 5 years. So I'm doing this to show you that you may have hair just like mine. This looks long and stretched and everything, but the reality is this is what it will shrink to on any normal day. This is what my hair is trying to get back to. And I think that that is going to be an advantage for me when I lock my hair. So it's I have really fine strands, and but I think my density is probably average. So if you don't know hair, the differences between density and fine hair, I'm sure other people have detailed it on other videos, but fine just means that the strands are thinner than normal, and then the density is how many hair follicles per square inch that you have. So like I said, I'm going to be locking my hair with micro twists, or maybe I didn't say that. I've always wanted to lock my hair since I decided to go natural. And so let me show you. I've already gotten started in the back. So I will show you what I've got going. Okay. So I'm doing micro twists, like I said, so they're really small. And here they are. Right now, I'm probably about 30% done with my hair, and I have 115 small micro twists. So what I'm going to be doing is allowing these twists to lock, and then from then on I'm going to be keeping my locks, finishing my new growth with can't think of a word right now. Yeah. Okay. So I'm already 3 sessions in, but I'm hoping to finish this weekend, and I'll keep you updated on my progress. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.